Life can feel overwhelming, filled with tests and trials that challenge our very souls. But the key to navigating through these storms is patience. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, reminds us in the Quran, "Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Just take a moment to imagine that in every hardship, every tear, every sleepless night, you are never alone. Allah is with you. The Prophet Muhammad said, "No one has been given a blessing better and greater than patience." Patience is not weakness, it is strength. It is the peace that holds your heart steady even when the world feels like it's crumbling around you. And when we endure hardships with unwavering faith, Allah rewards us in ways beyond what we can even imagine. So when life feels unbearably heavy, trust in Allah's plan. Your patience is not unseen. It's your path to success in this world and the next. Remember, the reward for patience is nothing less than paradise. Hold on, stay strong. Allah's help is near, and may Allah make us among the patient.